If you're about to drop $30,000 on a Ford Maverick, stop. What Toyota is bringing to America could make that purchase the biggest regret in your driveway. I've wrenched on trucks for over 2 decades, and I've watched Ford owners cry over repair bills while Toyota truck owners just smile and keep rolling. Today I'm giving you 7 reasons why waiting for the Toyota Hilux Champ could save you $10,000 to $15,000 over the life of your truck. And reason number 3? That's the one dealerships are praying you never figure out. Let's get into it. Now I'm counting down from 7, but stick around for reason number 1 because that's where I show you the actual dollar-for-dollar breakdown most buyers never see until it's too late. Number 7. Body-on-frame versus unibody construction. This matters more than most buyers realize. The Ford Maverick is built on a unibody platform, basically the same way they build crossovers and sedans. But here's what I see in the shop. Unibody trucks stress differently when you actually use them like trucks. You load up that bed week after week, haul materials, throw in some landscaping equipment, and over time, you start seeing issues. I had a customer come in at just 45,000 miles with creaking from the rear. Turned out the unibody was flexing in ways it shouldn't. That's a structural concern, not a quick fix. The Hilux Champ? It's expected to ride on a proper ladder frame chassis, the same fundamental design that's made the Hilux legendary in over 180 countries. That frame takes abuse. I've seen Hilux trucks in Africa and the Middle East with 400,000 miles still working every single day. When you're comparing long-term durability, frame construction isn't something to overlook. Number 6. The transmission situation. The Maverick comes with either a CVT on the hybrid or an 8-speed automatic on the EcoBoost. The 8-speed has been relatively solid, I'll give Ford that. But that CVT? I've already seen early signs of trouble from some owners. CVT repairs aren't cheap. You're looking at $3,500 to $5,500 if that transmission gives up on you outside of warranty. And CVTs rarely make it past 100,000 miles, even with religious fluid changes. Toyota's likely bringing either a traditional automatic or even a manual option with the Hilux Champ, based on what we've seen in international markets. And Toyota's automatic transmissions? Some of the most bulletproof units I've ever worked on. I've got customers with Tacomas pushing 250,000 miles on their original transmission with nothing but fluid changes. That's a different ownership experience entirely. And wait until you hear what I found when I actually compared repair receipts from my shop. I've got the numbers. That's coming up. Number 5. Proven powertrain reliability. The Maverick's 2.0 EcoBoost is a turbocharged engine, and turbo engines come with turbo problems. I've replaced turbo assemblies, intercooler hoses, wastegate actuators, you name it. When that turbo goes, you're looking at $1,800 to $2,400 for a quality replacement. And the hybrid system, while fuel efficient, adds complexity. More components mean more potential failure points down the road. The Hilux Champ, depending on what Toyota brings stateside, could feature a naturally aspirated engine or their proven diesel options. Now, we might not get the diesel here, but even Toyota's gas engines are absurdly reliable. No turbo to fail. No hybrid battery to eventually degrade. Just straightforward, time-tested engineering that runs forever. I've torn down Toyota truck engines at 300,000 miles that looked better inside than some Ford engines at 100,000. Number 4. Parts availability and repair costs. This one hits your wallet directly. The Maverick shares some components with the Escape and Bronco Sport, which helps somewhat. But it's still a relatively new platform, and some parts are still Ford-priced with dealer-only availability. One customer needed a replacement headlight assembly after a minor fender bender. Ford wanted $1,100 just for the part. That's not damage repair, that's just the light. Toyota trucks have been using similar components for decades. The Hilux platform specifically has parts available everywhere on Earth, and many of them are interchangeable across multiple models and years. When the Champ arrives, you can bet aftermarket support will explode because of that global parts network. Your $200 repair on a Toyota is often a $450 repair on a Ford, and that adds up over years of ownership. I tell my customers all the time, think about repair costs before you buy, not after. Quick thing, if you're getting value from this, subscribe. I drop videos every week that dealerships hate. Now let's get to the real money talk. Number 3. Resale value and depreciation. Here's the one that hits different when you're ready to trade in or sell. Ford trucks, especially newer models, have been depreciating faster than Toyota trucks for years. The Maverick is already showing early signs of value softening as supply catches up with demand. I've seen 2022 Mavericks with 40,000 miles selling for $8,000 to $10,000 less than what owners paid. That's real money evaporating. Hilux-based Toyotas? They hold value like nothing else on the road. Tacomas with 150,000 miles still sell for what some people paid new 5 years ago. It's almost ridiculous. When the Hilux Champ launches, if Toyota prices it competitively, you'll have a truck that not only costs less to maintain but actually holds its value. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying an asset that won't bleed money every year you own it. Number 2. The global track record. This is where it gets serious. The Ford Maverick has been on sale since 2021. 3 years. We're still learning what breaks at 80K, 100K, 150K. Early adopters are always the guinea pigs. The Hilux? That truck has been tested in the harshest conditions on the planet for over 50 years. War zones, deserts, mountain ranges, jungle roads that would swallow a Maverick whole. The Champ is built on that same proven architecture. When you buy one, you're not betting on Ford engineering, you're betting on 5 decades of refinement and reliability data. I've seen Hilux trucks survive things that would total most American trucks. That's not marketing fluff, that's reality. If you want a truck that's been proven through hell and back, the Hilux DNA in the Champ is exactly that. And number 1, the most important reason to wait. Total cost of ownership. When you add it all up, the purchase price, the maintenance, the repairs, the fuel costs, the depreciation, the Hilux Champ could save you $10,000 to $15,000 over a typical 7-year ownership period compared to the Maverick. I run these numbers for customers all the time. Here's how it breaks down. Toyota maintenance intervals are longer and cheaper. The parts cost less. The resale hits softer. And you're not dealing with surprise repairs that come from turbos, CVTs, or complex hybrid systems. That Maverick might look affordable on the sticker, but you're paying for it every month in ways that don't show up until you're already committed. The Hilux Champ is designed to be simple, reliable, and cheap to own. That's the formula that's made Toyota trucks legendary. Look, I'm not saying the Maverick is garbage. It's not. But if you can wait even 6 months, you owe it to yourself to see what Toyota brings with the Hilux Champ. The reliability difference alone is worth the patience. Now here's what I want you to do. Go watch my video on the most reliable trucks you can buy right now. I break down exactly which trucks are going 300,000 miles and which ones are draining wallets at 80K. If you're serious about not getting burned, that video is your next step. Links on screen. I'll see you there.